Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to factory reset a MacBook Pro. I'm getting this MacBook ready to return it back to my school. First things first is shut down the computer and make sure you transferred your data to Google Drive or whatever place, but Google Drive is probably the best. Shut it down. And then when it's shut down, hit the power button. And when the Apple logo shows up, do Command R. And yeah, let's do that. And then hit Command R and keep holding it until it shows up the screen. Just keep holding it. And there we go, macOS recovery. Go to Disk Utility. Then go here. Do not touch this. You need this. Go over here. Then erase, delete volume group Macintosh HD, delete. It's gonna delete everything off of the Mac. Alrighty. Then go to this one also. Then delete that too. That should be fine. Container, 250 gigabytes. Alright, 1 gigabyte. What's this? Alright, so go to here, quit Disk Utility. Then reinstall macOS. Continue. Wait until it finishes loads. Agree. Agree. Select disk. So yeah, this is just the process of reinstalling macOS Monterey or whatever it's called, and it should go back to the setup screen. Let's come back when this is finished.